This walkthrough covers workspace administration in Prism, roles and permissions, clinic locations, theme and branding, and workspace preferences. We open in Workspace Settings, which groups people and access, the workspace, and preferences. Roles and permissions list the built-in system roles, for example auditor, location admin, accountant, admin, and the clinical roles such as psychiatrist, pharmacist, and receptionist. Each role shows how many permissions and members it has. Its code is fixed, while its permissions can be tuned. Opening a role shows its permission set, organized by area, patients, visits, appointments, prescription, pharmacy, billing, and more. Creating a custom role sets a code, a name, and a description, then selects the specific permissions it grants. An all permissions option is reserved for an admin style role. Custom roles usually pick specific permissions instead. Below the system roles are custom roles, specific to this workspace. Editing one reopens its permissions, and deleting it unbinds its members back to the legacy role. Next, Workspace Details holds the organization's name, type, website, support email, and contact phone, along with a fixed workspace code. A usage summary shows the plan and the counts of clinicians, front desk users, locations, and patients. Clinic Locations manages each clinic's address, contact details, signatory, and letterhead logo, with one marked as the primary clinic. Adding a location sets its name and contact details, its city and state, a short name and receipt prefix, the authorized signatory whose name and signature print on documents, and the address, with an option to make it primary. Locations can be edited or removed and each carries its own logo. Theme and branding controls the brand color, chosen from a curated palette, which reskins the interface live and is shown in a preview of buttons, navigation, and status badges. You also set the letterhead logo that prints on documents, the browser favicon and the dashboard typeface. The color applies on save. Workspace Preferences holds the clinic-wide defaults, available to admins. The general section sets the adult age threshold for the child proforma, the default language, the diagnosis coding system, the default diagnosis type, the pre-visit compliance note, and the follow-up settings, with patient and receipt numbering below. You can show or hide individual sections on the visit screen and set the prescription print layout, page header, footer, and signature, with separate settings for in-person and teleprescriptions and whether the drug prints under its brand name, generic name, or both. Further preferences cover what else prints on the prescription, SMS notifications, appointment rooms and backdated entry, website booking, billing automation such as auto-issued invoices and credit notes, the pharmacy inventory module, the appointment email template and the patient app, including what patients can see and do.